Hi everyone, Kate here from Kate's Creations. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Today we are going to have a look at the DIY garden kits. Now the fairy garden variety has been on my website for a little while now, but there's been a bit of a product redesign and I've also introduced a boy version as well. So we're just going to have a quick look at those today. So these are our fairy garden kits. So they come in a little organza bag. It has the potting mix, your decorations instructions and your grass seeds, so you can plant those and create a beautiful little garden. And this is the garden that you end up with. So it's very cute. It takes about 1 to 2 weeks for the seeds to sprout depending on the climate that you're in. They grow faster in summer. And then this is the boy version, which is a dinosaur kit. So this one comes with pretty much all the same stuff the fairy garden does, except instead of bunnies it comes with a couple of dinosaurs and some rocks. So the boys end up with a little dinosaur garden. This can be really great for teaching kids about how plants grow and getting their hands dirty and you know, encouraging them to have some fun and play with plants. So these kits are available on my website now. We also accept the Creative Kids vouchers with the New South Wales Government Creative Kids rebate. When you do purchase a kit, there is also a video tutorial that you'll get a link to actually watch how it's all done as well. Instructions are included, but there is a video to make it really easy for you to follow along. So yeah, check them out on my website now. Hope you all have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye.